Students, today we will discuss the nephron, structure of a nephron. What is nephron? Nephron, as I told you earlier, we discussed the excretory system. So what is nephron? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. So एक किडनी में ये जो आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस इज अ डायग्राम ऑफ वन सिंगल नेफ्रॉन. सो सच टाइप ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ नेफ्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द किडनी एंड दीज नेफ्रॉन्स फिल्टर आउट द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लड. तो ब्लड से वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जो हमने वेस्ट सॉल्ट वगैरह हमने डिस्कस किया था पहले पिछले वीडियो में, वो वेस्ट जो है वो इसमें से इस या इन सेल्स में से हर एक सेल में से, किडनी में मिलियंस ऑफ सेल्स आर नेफ्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट और हर एक सेल में से वो वेस्ट सेपरेट आउट होता है. सो अगर आप इसके स्ट्रक्चर को ध्यान से देखें तो यहाँ पे एक कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है. दिस इज अ कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच इज कॉल्ड एज बोमेन्स कैप्सूल. One there is one afferent arteries and another is efferent arteries. Afferent arteries means which bring in the blood. What is afferent artery? Afferent bring in the blood. Efferent artery carry blood away from the nephron. And what is glomerulus? Afferent arteries form a tuft like structure. एक ball like structure बना देते हैं यहाँ पे Bowman's capsule के अंदर, जिसको हम बोलते हैं glomerulus. Now Bowman's capsule continues into a tube like structure. The interior part of it is called as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. The exterior part, outermost part, is called as DCT, and this U-shaped structure is called as Henle's loop of Henle. Now the vessels, blood vessels, also form a very thick network around the nephron, and in the loop of Henle it is called as vasa recta. So whatever blood is brought in by the efferent arteriole, it is first passed through glomerulus and then Bowman's capsule. As the blood subsequently travels from proximal convoluted tubule to loop of Henle to DCT and then to the collecting duct, and then finally to the from collecting duct it is transferred to the ureter, urethra. So with the gradual movement of blood from PCT to DCT, from this part to this part, the waste material is moved out of the blood and the required amount of water and salts are added into the blood. So this is called as osmoregulation. So what is osmoregulation? Osmoregulation is maintenance of ionic and water balance of blood. Ionic and water balance of blood, this is called as osmoregulation. So this is how osmoregulation takes place in the kidney.